Welcome to this week's video. My name is aguemraouirealtor. I am your local real estate agent and a property manager here in Orlando, Florida. In today's video, I want to share with you the real estate market watch. We're going to talk about week 23, which is from May 30 to June 6. We're going to look at the sales and rental portions of the market for the following counties: Orange, Seminole, Osceola, Volusia, and Lake County. Let's begin with the sales. We had a total of 1,184 new listings in the past week, way above the average for the year, which is 930. 1,303 properties are pending, which means they're under contract, slightly below the average for the year, which is 1,414. We sold a total of 1,395 properties in the past week, slightly above the average for the year, which is 1,159. 298 properties were taken off the market for sale, slightly above the average for the year, which is 260. 340 properties came back on the market for sale, again above the average for the year, which is 290. In terms of sales prices, 588 properties had to reduce their sales price, almost double of the average for the year, which is 301. And I think this has been the third consecutive week which we have seen way above average of price decreases. Only 186 properties were able to increase their sales price, slightly below the average for the year, which is 196. Let's talk about the rentals. We had 229 new listings in the past week. 148 listings are pending, which means they are processing an application, slightly below the average for the year, which is 155. We rented out 360 properties in the past week, way above the average for the year, which is 238. 80 properties were taken off the market for rent, slightly above the average for the year, which is 68. Only 26 properties were able to come back on the market for rent, slightly below the average for the year, which is 28. In terms of rental prices, 64 properties were able to increase their rental price, but this is below the average for the year, which is 85. Only 27 properties were able to increase their rental price, almost what is the average for the year, which is 30. This is going to be the end of this week's summary. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you next week.